My name is Sarah Krizak, and I am the operations director here at the Annapolis Maritime Museum and Park, and I live here in Annapolis.
My name is Diane Rosso, and I'm a docent here at Annapolis Maritime Museum. When I came here at the museum and was an educator first, we used various parts of the museum, mostly out here in the gallery. The museum was very nice, but very minimal. And I knew that there was a company coming in to redo our museum. And I was really excited about that. And then we were allowed to come in the museum. And I was shocked and delighted. I am overwhelmed. And the people who come to our museum now, everyone says the same thing. This museum is a gem.
So we worked with Quatrefoil during the installation of our new exhibit. They helped us with our schematic design and our final construction. They did most of the fabrication, and they were just a fabulous group to work with. They had so many really great ideas, and they were really able to guide all of our vision and to make it into this really cool space that we have today.